What? That's the last.
This time of year again. Not
Butters.
not Christmas. It's
Eid al-Fitr. At the end of Ramadan, when people can eat again.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, this is why we have to redo this stuff.
We have
the mess we've created so far.
Like little grenade bomb things.
Ignore the AK-47. This is nowhere near terrorist activity.
Where the hell is my? Yeah, so we have a lot of trash. Fireworks that we took apart. Yeah, these things called dragon eggs.
They're awesome.
I'll explain the
Those are almonds,
later. We have little balls for grenades. We have a gigantic Roman candle. Sparklers, everything. And I'm gonna, well, on multiple occasions, I've gone to poke fireworks because they haven't exploded. And yeah, bad things happen.
I'm gonna light.
Oh no!
God! Another example of Chris poking and explode. Alright, dude. I just want to have some good in the air fireworks. So are you.
Thank God! That was aimed at the flag. Oh my God! Aaron, how can you not light that on fire?
No, it just doesn't want to light on fire.
Are you Oh my God! Alright, go.
Ah, shit. Why is That's it.
This is mine?
Oh God. Yeah. So my parents are not here right now, so we decided to go buy some alcohol.
Because we're those kinds of posers.
Yeah, and yeah, we're still continuing to make fireworks, and we'll see.
And making a fucking mess.
Yeah, because someone can't.
I think Ben Miguel.
Anyways, we'll see how these fireworks. Oh God! Oh my God! I got in my hair.
I don't know what to light, dude. No, this is insane. It's just gonna blow up. This is insane. We need to add another fuse. Oh, it's all out. Oh shit! Aaron, light, Aaron.
Oh my!
Is that it?
Nick, Jesus Christ!